Anin Boujou band members, today is Thursday, March 18th. And the mask I had on today was made for me by Chairman Farron Jackson's wife, Laurel. Just want to give her a shout out and say miigwech for making me a nice mask. COVID updates for the county. Yesterday, 1,199. Today in Aiken County, 1,201. Crow Wing. Yesterday, 5,304, and today, 5,326. Mille, yesterday, 2,375, and today it increased to 2,379. Pine County, yesterday, 2,875, and today there is an increase to 2,890. For our reservation, for District 1 and District 2A, with the increase of 2, we have 107. District 2, no change, still at 10. District 3, 35, no change. Vaccination updates. To date, there has been 1,179 community vaccinations given with at least 1 dose. 860 individuals have been fully vaccinated. It was reported that Governor Walz, Lieutenant Governor Flanagan, and Jan Malcolm have been quarantined due to possible exposure of COVID-19. As I always talk about, please continue to exercise caution and practice good safety measures, especially now that the state is moving forward to loosen restrictions. Wash your hands often, wear a mask when in public, and stay 6 feet away from others who are not in your household. Federal news, you now have more time to complete filing your taxes this year. Internal Revenue Service is delaying the traditional tax filing deadline from April 15th until May 17th. And that gives additional time for taxpayers and the IRS alike, given the pressures from the pandemic. As a reminder, Grand Casino Income Tax Preparation Program is available to band members. Please call 320-532-8500. Leave a message. Someone will return your call to set up your appointment. Yesterday, I attended the band assembly meeting, and 2 bills were signed into law, and that is regarding the stimulus. And I signed 2 bills, one for the month of April and one for the month of May. So you will continue to see the same distribution as you have been. I was on a call with the Department of Treasury regarding the CARES Act funding. The Treasury Department wanted to consult with tribes regarding how the distribution of the remainder of the CARES Act funding will be dispersed to tribes. There were many tribal leaders on the call, and I signed in to be one of the speakers. And there were 52 of us that wanted to have that conversation with the representatives from the Department of Treasury. We got through 15 of those tribal leaders making comment. And there was a carryover call that will be done next week. So my name is still on the list. And what I wanted to relate to the Department of Treasury, that it is important that we use our own enrollments data and not depend on the census or the HUD numbers of band members for the Mille Lacs Reservation, because those are different and they're not updated and correct. And also that all of our CARES Act funding to this point has been expended. And we wanted to also remind them that we provided additional services to many during this CARES Act funding cycle. That included, of course, our band members, but also our employees and other people that live in our community. So I look forward to making that testimony next week. The treaty rights celebration will be completed tomorrow, and please stay tuned to find out if you were successful with any of the gifts that are going to be raffled off. With that, have a good day. It's very nice outside. Go and enjoy some fresh air, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.